Hey guys, I just want to get on here real quick and give you a few tips and tricks of things that we can do, maybe change up a little bit our normal routine that can help slow down the aging process around our eyes and our lips. So the first one would be applying product around our eye. So I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate really quickly how to do it. Whether it's cream or cover up or anything like that, you want to stay on the bone line around your whole eye. So if you wanted to apply some up here too, you want to stay on that bone. Then you just lightly tap it in. And it may take a little bit longer than you're used to, but this way it's gonna be not moving your eye, not pulling on your skin, your eye skin, and that'll help benefit from getting wrinkles. Our eye skin is really fragile, and we need to treat it accordingly because that's one of the first places that we show aging. It's around our eyes. And so other than sun damage, we need to take care of our eyes because that will show people. The second one is eyeliner. A lot of people pull on their eye, and we don't want to do that because that will stretch the skin out very quickly. There's not a lot of collagen, anything around this very thin, fragile skin. So we want to try to not move it as much as possible, just treat it very carefully. And so I have a gel liner that I like to use. It's Bobbi Brown. I just feel like it glides on easier, but I'm sure there's lots of options out there. You just want to try to avoid pulling. So I'll show you. I just lightly close my eye and then apply it. Another quick tip would be sunglasses. Always. I always wear my sunglasses outside. I do not want to squint. Squinting will get you those crow's feet, those lines very quickly. Lips. A lot of times, whether you smoke or you love to drink with straws like I do, I love my diet soda and flavored sparkling water. I like to drink it with straws, but if you do that, a lot of times you're going like that, and so that creates those fine lines. Also, like is what I usually do, I just put my straw to the side. That way you don't move your lips like this. So there's barely anything going on to help eliminate getting all those little fine lines, just because they're really hard to put, lip liner and lipstick, and it will make you look older. I hope you guys are having a good day, and we will talk to you later.